Hey there, I want to show you this kitchen utensil set. It is gorgeous, right? We love the color combo. Now, it comes with a lot of things. I'm going to show you the things one by one. A cute gift as well. Like maybe it would be nice for a bridal shower gift or something like that. Or just a little like nice housewarming gift. So we're going to go through each of these. We have the spatula. By the way, everything is silicone, so you're going to keep your pan safe. We have the spatula for your burgers and such. We have a ladle. How much do we love the silicone ladle? Very much. We have this type of thing. I don't remember what this is called, but it's very, very handy and useful. Of course, meatballs. Yes, please. Pasta. This is making me hungry, actually. Looking at these is making me hungry. Is this a fat spoon? I think so. I love that we have this because you know how you can get like those barbecue ones and those are huge? This one is actually a pastry brush and I love the size of this. We have this type of spatula, which is nice. And this type of spatula. Pancakes, anyone? And of course we have a silicone whisk. So you know when you're cooking scrambled eggs and you want to just keep scrambling but you can't just smell? With this, you'll be able to keep scrambling your eggs. Overall, super cute. Nice color combination. Definitely, I guess.
Hi, today I'm going to be reviewing the 33-piece kitchen utensil set. It's going to be coming with measuring cups and the silicone utensils. This is not part of the set, but I have transferred it into my own and they all fit nicely with space to add more. So, as you can probably tell, some of these I use a little bit more than others. This one still has a pretty smooth wooden handle. If you let these sit in water in your sink, which you're not supposed to do, it will make the wood handles deteriorate a lot faster. But what you can do to restore them is get a food-based like beeswax and recoat the handles if you'd like. This is one of my most used one. My husband lets it sit in the sink in the water so it does look like this and it will crack. However, another frequently used one does not sit in the water and it is in much better condition. So the wood handles can be a problem. However, the silicone itself, perfect. I have not had any issues with it cracking. It gets used a lot. You can see right here how much it gets used. There's no cracking, deterioration. It doesn't leave stains on them. They are really good. See, this isn't even bendy. This is sturdy. This is very sturdy. Okay? They're great for your cookware. All those expensive non-cookware pans you use, these are not going to scratch them up. Okay? Great. They don't fall apart. This is not falling off when I pull the tip of it, okay? This, I'm pulling it. A lot of the times when you order these, this falls out after constant use. I have not had that issue. Maybe because I'm taking care of them better. This one has a little burn stain on it. I left it on my hot cook pan. Don't do that. It's wood. It will get ruined. But if you take care of these, they will last a really long time. I love them. They're great for so many things. They are used and abused, and they are holding up really well. I super recommend ordering this. No issues with it. This is a review on this cooking utensil set. So we got this in color khaki, and it comes with 33 pieces. So it's made of food grade silicone material, and the handle is made of wood. We've already used this for our cooking, hence it looks like this, and I can surely say that it's good quality because it hasn't melted or anything like that. So it comes with these measuring cups. It comes with the container, which is nice to keep everything in place. It has this slotted turner, comes with a slotted spoon, comes with kitchen tongs, comes with soup spoon, comes with this kitchen turner, and there are so many other stuff. It comes with this brush here for your pasta. It also comes with this anti-scalding gloves that you can use to hold your pots. So it comes with a whisk and then some measuring spoons. It's a really complete set. You don't need anything else other than this, and it's also good quality. I would highly recommend this to anyone looking for a great cooking utensil set.